You know, bifold doors like this can give you great access to an area like a laundry room, and they're fairly easy to install.
The first thing you want to install is the center track at the top of the jamb. And again, it needs to be right in the center. Make sure you put all the screws you need in there. After that, you want to get right down on the floor and install the bottom pivot bracket. Make sure you use all the screws and secure that really well on both sides of the jamb. The next thing you want to do is to lay the doors right down on the ground and then put in your different pivots at the top and the bottom. And just be real careful that you don't hit this too hard or cause any of these pieces to mushroom or damage them in any way. So, real important to pay attention as you're driving these pivot points in. After that, you want to raise it up and align your pivot point at the very top bracket that you have. Go ahead and get it in there first. Go ahead and sit it then on the bottom pivot bracket, and you'll want to adjust that up or down to make sure that it's where you need it. Then the top guide will snap in, and a little adjustment there to line it up with the jamb, and you've got your door in great shape. Also, don't forget your little spring keeper right in the middle that'll keep them closed.
If you install the bifold doors the correct way, they'll work perfectly and last you a long, long time.